Matthew, Mark, and Luke, which are the synoptic gospels, Jesus talks about the lifestyle, the mission, the growth, the community, and the future of the kingdom of God. But the book of John documents what Jesus said about how we enter into the kingdom of God. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read these 7 verses from the Interlinear Bible. I'm going to include the Greek verb tense that it's spoken in, which gives us a much better understanding of what is being said. In John 6, verse 35, I am continuously the bread of life. The one who is continuously coming to me shall successfully not hunger. And the one who is continuously believing into me shall not in the future thirst at any time. So we should ask, what's the difference between believing in and believing into? John 8, verse 12, I am continuously the light of the world. The one continuously following me, shall successfully not walk in the darkness, but will in the future have the light of life. The Greek word for the word follows is akoulotheo. It means so much more than walking behind someone. It's this deliberate, whole person response of attachment, obedience, and ongoing companionship. And in the New Testament, it serves as the primary verb for discipleship. And it encapsulates the life of the one who will hear Christ's call, who will abandon completing allegiances, and will continue in loyal fellowship with him. John 10, verse 7, truly, truly, I continually say to you, I am continuously the door of the sheep. So if he is the door, how do you go through the door? John 10, 11, I am continuously the good shepherd. Good shepherd continuously lays down the life of him for the sheep. John 10, 14, I am continuously the good shepherd, and I continuously know my own, and I am continuously known by my own. You see, the Greek word for know and known is both gnosko. What does it mean? John 11, 25, I am continuously the resurrection and the life. The one continuously believing into me. Even if he should completely die, he will in the future live. How do we continuously believe into him? John 15, 1, I am continuously the true vine, and the Father of me is continuously the vine dresser. You know, the word true doesn't show up in most English translations, but it is in the Interlinear Bible, and the Greek word for true is alethenos, which is authentic unity between what is true and its source or origin. John 14, verse 6, I am continuously the way and the truth and the life. No one continuously comes to the Father if not by, which is actually through, me. You see, the sound of light is going to answer these questions. What is the way? What is the truth? What is the life? And how do we come to the Father? And how do we go through Jesus? I'm going to end part 2 of the sound of light here because I really want you to think about that. What is the way? Not what have you been told. What is the truth? What does the Bible say is the truth? What is the life? How do we go through anything? Do we think our way through? Do we feel our way through? Do we believe our way through? Got to answer those questions. So I'll see you on the next one.